Here is this app called Sling Employee Scheduling app. So just tap Get to install it, and then you can just use double click to install it. And then from here, you can schedule faster, communicate better, get things done. Employee scheduling made easy with powerful scheduling and workforce management tools. Sling is the easiest way to manage employee work schedules, track time, optimize labor costs, and streamline team communication for free. Sling works for a variety of industries and organizations of every size, shape, and kind. I already made Sling the place where the work happens, streamline your business, schedule faster and smarter, control labor costs, communicate efficiently from a single platform, simplify time tracking, make payroll processing easier, um, drive operational compliance, so a lot of like benefits. I need to say there are a bunch of apps in this category. You just select, if you just go to business category in iOS, you will see a bunch of apps here. This seems like quite a good app. If you select I'm new to Sling, you can create new Sling account, or you can just join your account, join your coworkers, and then just proceed.